Introducing the Dearborn True Blue Bath Waste Kit. Innovative, flexible, and designed with the plumber in mind. True Blue's integrated testing features create a reliable testing apparatus that makes installation and testing quick and easy. Pre-assembled components simplify installation, so you can go from box to test faster. True Blue utilizes a locking drain gasket that will not fall off in difficult installations. Overflow and drain test plugs install with a simple quarter turn, making testing quick and reliable. True Blue's Overflow gasket is made of an innovative foamed rubber material. It provides better compression and memory than traditional gaskets, creating a more reliable seal that will rebound and prevent leaks. The overflow cover easily turns to lock for a toolless and screwless installation. With depth adjustability, various tub thicknesses can be accommodated with a simple hand turn. True Blue Bath Waste comes in 5 designer finishes: chrome, brushed nickel, oil-rubbed bronze, matte black, and white. The trim kit can easily be changed without removing the spud by using the Overflow test plug for install. Order True Blue Bath Waste in ABS or PVC, in full, half, rough, or trim kits. True Blue also comes with 3 stopper design options: lift and turn, touch toe, push and pull. Innovative, flexible, designed with the plumber in mind. True Blue Bath Waste Kit by Dearborn. Check out OD.com to learn more.